Welcome back to the channel. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and today I'm going to be making this donut dragon clock. Let's get into it. I saw a video on YouTube by ZHC where he customized an iPad with a donut dragon design. I thought it was really cool, so I decided to do my own take on it and make it a laser cutting project. If you can, I'd like you to try to share it with him because I want to be able to send this to him at the end. And I'm hoping that by sharing this video, he will see it and be able to actually get in touch with me so that I can send it to him. I'm not the best artist. I'm going to try to draw my own version of the donut dragon, then make it a digital design and laser cut it and make it into a multi-layer clock. So let's get into drawing. Time to finish the sketch. Now that I've got the sketch done, it's time to go ahead and outline the design with black ink. So let's go ahead and get started. Now that all of the painting is done, I'm going to go ahead and glue up all the pieces. This is going to take a little while, so let's get to it. All right, let's get the rest of the sprinkles on there. Now that we have the sprinkles on, let's go ahead and put on the clock mechanism. So I'm just gonna feed this through the back. After many hours of gluing on sprinkles, here is the final product. So let's do a close-up. You can see the detail in the teeth. Got the sprinkles everywhere. It is multiple layers. So the sprinkles are glued on top of the icing layers. But here's my new dragon clock. So again, this design was inspired by ZHC here on YouTube. So if you can, share it with him because I'm trying to see if I can send it to him somehow because I think he'll really like it. That's gonna do it for this video. If you like the project, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I try to come out with a new video every week, or at least as much as I can. Be sure to check out my Instagram @MakerExperiment where I share projects like this along the way. But I wanna thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.